We've got Billy here. A nice big old bat. Let's destroy it. Give me keys. Oh, I killed the screen. Look at that. Woo! Die, Lily. Jeez. What brand made this? I think it was Acer. Caps lock. This was Acer, guys. Look at this. Look, it's another thing with a handle. It's got another handle. Wonder if I can beat the crud out of it with the same handle. Give me your handle! Ew.
Actually, no one is at my house.
Wow. Ew.
I know, right?
Dude, look at this thing. This thing was made by Acer.
I run around naked.
Oh, God. Accidentally hit my PSP.
Someone run around naked.
Ew. Freaking battery. There's a battery in there. There's still some keys on. Here, you're gonna deal with Mr. Rock. You rock, Rock! So how did this thing work? It didn't tell me anything. Yeah, I have an idea. The on switch is still fine. Okay, Lily. Say your last words. It didn't say anything. Oh, geez, this is the second time I've hit my freaking camera. Look at this keyboard. I want this keyboard. Sweet. Not. Stupid typewriter. I haven't tried to drop it test yet. Thing's like a freaking computer. Lily, you're grounded. The battery's still on there. Suck, battery. Shift key still works. Jeez. Lily's a bit tougher than Roger was. Look at his metal. Security metal right there. Security circuit board. Security transformer. I still don't know how it works. Beat the crud out of it with its own piece of metal thing. I wonder where the screen is. Check this out. Security metal. And the keyboard. I could use that. I could make a laptop out of it. The handle is still on there. Ah, dang it! I hit my camera so much.